Hello, flashlight people. This is Phoenix PD20. This was great before it came here. As you see, this doesn't respond to quick tapping. Slow tapping like this, it responds. But it doesn't respond to my quick tapping. So, quick strobe activation is kind of difficult. We must wait for a while. And in the loosened level, mode change is the same on this one. Low, 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 forever low. A bit weight is needed. You know, this is EagleTac D25C titanium. It responds very quick tap of mine. Look at this. And in the loosened level, very sharp response. And this feel is crisp, and very sharp. Kind of soft on the Phoenix. This feel is very similar to 47s. The rubber quality is different. Glow in the dark, white rubber and black rubber. I feel like this rubber is thicker. Anyway, after having this one, we cannot get back to this Phoenix. And we got this neutral white. It's cool white. Neutral white tint. Please look at this. And this is 47's neutral white. As you see, this EagleTac neutral white is much warmer than 47's neutral white. It's close to high CRI moment. It's my high CRI. Not so warm as 47's high CRI. Between the two, as you can see, between the two, this is 47's neutral white, EagleTac neutral white, and 47's high CRI. I think this beam is very user eye friendly, very comfortable illumination, like reading a book or such. It's a very good illumination. So let's test in the room. Okay, here we go. Low, medium, high. Not turbo. It's EagleTac Cool White. Okay. Next. Moonlight. Low, medium, high. It's 4/7 Coke X. Neutral white. And EagleTac Cool White. 4/7 neutral white. Please compare the tint difference. If compared, each tint is very different. Okay, I will read the 4/7. And next flashlight is EagleTac Neutral White. Low, medium, high. This is the EagleTac Neutral White tint. Please compare with 4/7 neutral white. It's 4/7 neutral white. It's EagleTac neutral white. What do you think? If compared, this EagleTac is warmer. I will leave the EagleTac. And in the end, low, medium, high. This is 4/7 Preon 2 high CRI. And this is EagleTac neutral white. When compared, it looks cooler, much cooler than 4/7 high CRI. It's very interesting. Okay, 4/7 high CRI and EagleTac neutral white. But finally, I'll do this comparison. EagleTac Cool White and EagleTac Neutral White. This difference, when compared, this EagleTac Neutral White feels much warmer than Cool White. Okay, I hope we will have a better idea for your next flashlight. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.